Hi, I'm Kelly Aiken, Mustang Suspension Tech at BMR Suspension. I'm going to tell you all about BMR's new body mount Watts links for the S197 Mustang, part numbers WL005 and WL006. A Watts link is the superior way to laterally locate the rear end housing under the car. Sure, it is more complex than a simple panhard bar, but the difference in operation and the level of effectiveness is as distinctive as the differences in design. A panhard bar is designed to minimize side-to-side axle movement, but as you traverse imperfections on the road or make turns, the axle shifts slightly to one side. This is because the panhard bar by design travels on an arc, allowing the axle to shift slightly to one side during normal suspension travel. For most casual enthusiasts, this movement is never felt or noticed, but it can cause the car to have a slightly disconnected feel in certain situations when the axle moves. This design keeps the rear end housing centered no matter where it is in the suspension range of travel. A Watts link connects the rear end housing to the chassis with two equal length links and a center pivot point. The system can be configured in one of two ways. Either the pivot is mounted to the rear end housing or the chassis. As the rear suspension travels, the pivot rotates, keeping the rear end housing centered under the car. BMR has two versions of its body-mounted Watts links for the S197 Mustang. The WL005, which has a poly bushing and a rod end on each link, and the WL006, which has a rod end only configuration. Manufactured from heavy-duty 1x2 inch 120 wall rectangular steel tubing and 1/4 inch laser cut steel plate, BMR's Watts link is the ultimate in strength. The axle mounts are built from heavy-duty 3/16 inch laser cut steel plate and 1x2 inch steel tubing. Double shear mounts connect the adjustable links to the center pivot. These mounts give you tons of strength and zero deflection. Other companies take the easy route, sacrificing strength with single shear mounts. BMR's center pivot is fabricated from 1/4 inch laser cut steel plate with 1 5/8 DOM steel tubing. It uses a double shear mount to connect to the cross member and a greasable Delrin bushing for smooth, bind-free movement. The links for the WL005 are built from heavy-duty DOM steel tubing with 95 durometer bushings and 5/8 rod ends. The links for the WL006 are built from heavy-duty aluminum tubing with left and right hand threaded 5/8 inch rod ends for easy on-car adjustment. BMR Suspension designed the WL005 and WL006 to work well for street performance and handling applications. The Watts link is extremely adjustable, allowing for fine-tuning of the rear roll center and axle location, giving you the bind-free suspension articulation needed for superior handling. The Watts link's heavy-duty construction will hold up to the most extreme conditions on the track or street, greatly improving the handling capabilities of your S197 Mustang. With strength, adjustability, and zero lateral axle movement, this is the perfect upgrade for the enthusiast that requires maximum performance from their suspension. For more information on the WL005 or WL006 Watts links or any other BMR suspension components for your S197 Mustang, give us a call or visit bmrsuspension.com. Also be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.